Rosemary has solid antioxidants, can eliminate germs, square tumor, cut down swelling, and battle diseases. It likewise has a few vitamins and minerals, similar to vitamins A and C, thiamin, riboflavin, folate, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc and copper. The woodsy, citrus-like possess a scent reminiscent of rosemary. Fundamental oil is likewise found in magnificence items and utilized as a part of fragrance-based treatment. Other than its well-being and magnificence utilizes, rosemary is likewise utilized as a cooking herb by numerous individuals. Crisp or dried rosemary can be added to soups, sandwiches, servings of mixed greens, plunges, and even be utilized for making mixed oil. Likewise, rosemary tea is a very much loved drink. Here are some ways rosemary can be useful for your well-being. 1. Lifts memory. Rosemary fills in as an intellectual stimulant, accommodating for boosting memory and mental core interest. It is even great at raising cerebrum wave exercises and guarding against neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's malady. 2. Battles stress and anxiety. The sweet possess an aroma similar to rosemary is useful for clearing your brain and facilitating pressure. Its quieting nature even relieves tense muscles. 3. Lightens headaches. Rosemary dulls torment and cuts down swelling, so it can calm cerebral pains. It can even help facilitate the torment and quality of headaches. 4. Invigorates hair growth. This superb herb likewise helps hair development. It supports blood course to the scalp, which gives more supplements a chance to achieve the hair follicles. 5. Decreases inflammation. Rosemary is useful for facilitating agony and swelling. It alleviates joint inflammation torment, sciatic nerve torment, gout torment, back torment, and solid neck. Since it stops fits, this herb additionally helps ease menstrual agonies. 6. Reinforces the immune system. Rosemary gives you an effective shield against various infections and germs that may hurt your resistant framework. 7. Treats respiratory problems. You can likewise utilize this herb to treat respiratory diseases like chilly and influenza, sinus contamination, and bronchial asthma. This is on the grounds that rosemary is relieving, eliminates microscopic organisms, and stops fits. It likewise decreases terrible breath. 8. Enhances digestion. Rosemary is awesome for your stomach since it controls how much bile is let out, and battles germs from sustenance. It likewise helps the craving, treats heartburn, and facilitates gas developments, swelling, and stoppage. 9. Anticipates high blood sugar. Diabetic individuals can utilize rosemary oil to control their glucose levels. Rosemary concentrates can bring down glucose and cholesterol levels, which enables control to type 2 diabetes and other metabolic conditions. When taking this herb to help with diabetes, ensure you continue checking your glucose levels. Additionally, continue taking your standard pharmaceuticals as your specialist lets you know. Additional tips: try not to utilize rosemary fundamental oil amid pregnancy, or in the event that you have epilepsy, hypertension, or draining issue. Before utilizing rosemary oil on the skin, test it on a little piece of the skin to ensure you're not susceptible to it. Try not to eat a considerable measure of rosemary.